Hey, this is Monty with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar, starting my digital inspection on property here in Oceanside. And what we're looking at is a concrete S-tile roof. Now, over here on the edges near the rake caps, we see an opening. Quite a bit of mastic repair. You can see it right along here as well. Now, we do have a solar system on here, approximately 19 panels. And now this building was constructed in 1991, and most likely, in fact, I'm very positive this is the original roofing material because of the condition of the underlayment. Now, I'll get to show you in 1 second. Along the ridge line, we see mortar starting to crack, and this just happens over time with an aged roof. Now, taking a look at the underlayment, right? We see all this water staining, all this debris that has been allowed access, and you can see right on the edge here just how brittle that product is. Essentially dust underneath my fingertips. With very little effort, I'm able to, pry this off, and it just turns into dust. So yeah, you can see water has been allowed access for quite some time. You can see rusted nail heads, right? And just for consistency, I like to pull tiles on multiple parts of the roof just to see, okay, yeah, that underlayment definitely needs to get replaced. Again, we see the same thing, water staining, brittle dust-like material, so it's very brittle. Normally, felt paper is supposed to be very granular to the touch, and very sturdy. This product is none of that, right? And moving on to the front, again, slip tile, went ahead and pulled this down. You can see a patch has been done in the past, most likely to mitigate some of that water from entering. But again, you can see just how dust-like the material is, right? We have rusted nail heads again, and if I go ahead and pull this corner, it just crumbles. So these are all telltale signs that the product has expired and definitely needs to be replaced immediately, especially as we approach rainy season. We risk leaks, we risk mold from that water buildup, and so yeah, definitely need to get that replaced pronto. So we are licensed, and we have in-house crews to also remove and reinstall these panels as well on a roofing project. So what we want to do is lift and reset. These tiles are actually in good condition. Concrete tiles actually harden over time and become stronger as they cure under the sun. So we can keep the tiles. So what we want to do is update the underlayment and address any rotten wood that needs to get replaced. So again, we don't know how much rain has been soaking in this wood, but has been for quite some time. So that gets done on a discovery basis. And also dormer vents, we do want to have adequate ventilation. We like O'Hagan vents, they're low profile, so it's not going to be sticking up as high as these dormer vents. That's completely up to the owner. So yeah, definitely time for a new roof. And yeah, again, we are in rainy season, so we want to get this done ASAP and make sure that roof is watertight. All right, I'll get this out to the owner. Thank you.